Mangga. Hinatag ni Loli. At nadaot na ni siya kasi kay nako siyang makaon, oh. Nadaot na, oh. Anang usa ako na siya gipatilaw ni Mister. Daot na siya, oh. Umuta ko, eh. Kuhaon na nato, eh. Do you wanna try to eat mango? Be.
Hold on.
Patilawon na to sa Mister. Do you wanna try to eat mango? Because it's already...
What, babe?
You wanna try to eat mango? You said you
I'm
wanna...
going to today.
Okay, how about
After
now?
we go to the store.
How about now?
I'm scared. No. Later I'm gonna eat. You can vlog me and everything.
Okay.
I never had in my life.
Okay, I'll vlog.
Later.
Okay.
Later today. After we go to the store.
Okay.
I don't know. I could be allergic.
Okay. Kaon ko na siya unya.
Later.
Later?
Kyle's tirade. This one, what? Yeah, later today.
Huh?
Later today. We're just gonna get the house ready and go to the grocery store, and that's it. Just clean up a little bit and put up decorations or whatever, buy whatever we need from the store. I need to exercise today because I'm tight. Well, at least you have fun, right? With the girls? Okay.
It was
All
fun.
that matters.
Yep.
And, oh, you have Tonga ladies on the 13th.
Oh, yeah.
Where's that?
I forget, Nelly. I forget about that. I already forget about that. That's, I think, I wonder if Monique is already out of the country. Yeah.
1 month and 2 days.
Philippines. We're going to Philippines.
Then we're gonna shake our booty.
Do you want to shake your booty?
Oh yeah. That's how I get paid.
Bantay, ha?
Huh?
Bantay.
That's how I make my money.
Ah, yeah?
Yeah. That's how I bought this house. Like this.
It's not profitable.
Huh?
Your body shake is not profitable.
It's not profitable. It got you.
There's a lot of profit. For sure.
Hey. My booty shake, let me buy a house in Bay Area, okay?
Yeah, my body shake bought a house in Sacramento.
Yeah, so then who has better booty shake?
I bought a house, 2 homes in Sacramento.
Oh, okay. Well, that's not fair because you have more booty. That's not even fight, dear.
I had 2 homes.
Yeah, but you only had to feed 2 mouths. I had to feed 5 mouths.
I was doing good.
Yeah.
I was a workaholic, single mother, mother of my Kyle.
Oh yeah, you're Kyle?
Yeah, and then
I thought it was something else's Kyle.
I was able to buy and purchase 2 homes, 2 houses myself. Because I was workaholic.
And then your husband came along and ruined it all. And he let you sleep more and work less.
Who?
Are you now?
Who? Yeah.
Yeah, you're now.
Yep. I sleep 4 hours in 10 years.
That sounds right. When I met you, you were walking into walls.
Yeah, because I was a workaholic. I need money for people to support all the family and siblings, all the grand nephew, and that when I was able to, when I was young, I was 25. Now I'm 51. Can't do it no more. I am about to graduate, except my mom. My mother support. Yeah. If you work hard, guys, in America, you are able to get everything you want. Yep. Ako, I was purchased 2 homes alone. I work my butt off.
Then you still have some.
Yeah.
Just then you know. It's not all gone.
Yeah. Why did you know that we were at Ross last night, yesterday?
What's that, love?
Why do you know that we were at Ross like yesterday?
You sent me a picture?
You know we're at Ross.
I don't know you?
No, you don't know me.
I don't know you.
No que. No que muy aquí.
What are you saying?
Me, how I speak Spanish? Estoy, what is estoy? Estoy muy bien. Estoy,
Then how do you say a little bit?
just a little bit, like taste it a little bit.
No. When somebody say, "Oh, you are learning Bisaya," I can say only I know a little bit or
A
I'm
little
learning.
bit. A little bit means gamay.
Gamay?
Gamay ra.
Gamay ra?
Gamay ra.
Yeah, gamay ra.
Yeah. So it's 2 words. Gamay ra.
I heard gamay before.
Gamay. Gamay. Like it's like small, little. Yeah, it's a term of small, little, tiny, or
Then, when Christy is here, she's gonna be my maestra.
oh yeah. Mama nagkaon.